Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a real estate closing with Zillow step by step clearly. To start a real estate closing with Zillow, first, visit the Zillow website. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection. Create a user account if you don't already have one. Log into your account. Navigate to the buy or sell section, depending on your needs. If you are buying, select the buy option. If you are selling, choose sell. Input the property address or select a listing from the Zillow database. Review the property details to ensure accuracy. For buyers, click on Make an offer for the property you are interested in. Fill out the required fields, including your offer price and closing date. Ensure that your financing details are updated. For sellers, prepare the necessary property documentation. This includes title reports, disclosures, and any inspection reports. Once you've made the offer, wait for the seller to respond. If accepted, confirm the terms of the agreement. Coordinate with your real estate agent or attorney for legal advice. Gather all required documents for the closing process. This may include proof of identity, loan documents, and earnest money. Set a closing date that works for all parties involved. Communicate with the title company to start the closing process. Review the closing disclosures sent by the title company. Ensure all costs, fees, and terms reflect your understanding. Attend the closing meeting on the scheduled date. Bring all necessary documents and identification. Review all closing documents before signing. Ask questions if anything is unclear. Once everything is signed, complete the payment of closing costs. Collect the keys and finalize your move. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.